And one way to identify which transmission you have, which model, obviously you could do it by VIN number, but just to look up under the car, it's going to be on the driver's side, and it's going to be this kind of placard right here. And the model number is the one on the bottom, or the middle, the 7229. So it's a 7G transmission, 7229070. That's going to identify which model transmission you have, if it's the AMG model or not. This is the AMG model. The regular ones are going to be a little bit different serial numbers. So again, driver's side, it's going to be right there. And if you have the 5G transmission, I believe it was like somewhere towards the back on the driver's side. It's a similar process, but it's going to be 7226 something something.